Introducing looks like glass. Clear plastic parts are often the finishing touch to a model, but can be vulnerable to damage or look dull and unfinished. Enter looks like glass for a realistic, glass-like finish on clear plastics. Looks like glass is a super thin, water-based, transparent fluid, which creates a smooth, glass-like effect on clear kit plastics such as canopies. Parts are simply dipped into the fluid and allowed to dry for 2 to 3 hours, and surface detail is retained. It can also be applied using a paint or spray brush. There are also many other uses for looks like glass: to create a smooth, thin plastic coating to assist with decal application, as a super thin adhesive for clear windows, to create a wet or rainy look on plastic, or even to seal scatter. Looks like glass comes in a tall, stable, clear plastic 100ml container with a wide neck to allow you to dip pieces directly, avoiding the need to decant. Now let's learn a little more. First, looks like glass is highly transparent. Unlike competitor products, it is not a white emulsion, but a true polymer solution which allows light through to create a beautiful transparent film. It has a unique wetting action, so it flows into, fills and covers unwanted marks, drying to a smooth surface, while other products might bead and dry to a rougher surface. Unlike thicker alternative products, its low viscosity produces a thin film without covering important surface detail. And finally, it is water-based, allowing easy dilution for spraying and making it safer to use. Let's see looks like glass in action. Here we have a clear plastic canopy from a 1:48 scale Harrier trainer before looks like glass is applied. The canopy is dipped into the container and held for a few seconds before removal. Excess fluid can be removed with a brush and some tissue paper and left to dry in a dust-free environment for 2 to 3 hours. Once dry, the glass look is stunning and very realistic. Looks like glass can also be used as an aid for decal application. The wing is painted in the desired colour, and once dry, looks like glass is applied with a brush, creating an ultra-smooth surface for easy decal application. A further coat will protect it if weathering effects are to be added later. Looks like glass is also ideal for both bonding and improving the glazing of model train windows. After ensuring the glazing parts are a snug fit, apply looks like glass to the entire glazing pane, allowing it to run into the thin gap around the edges. This will bond the window in place and create an authentic look. When dry, repeat the application to the inside. The final result is a resilient, crystal clear finish that will prevent scratches, which won't yellow with age, and brushes can be cleaned with soapy water. For spraying, you can thin looks like glass with up to 25% water if required. And finally, why not try looks like glass for that wet look finish on your latest diorama scene? So let's recap on why you should choose looks like glass. Firstly, it creates a glass-like finish on clear plastics. It is ideal for bonding clear windows. It is ideal for creating wet look effects on painted surfaces. And it is an aid for decal application. And being water-based, it is safe to dip, brush or spray. If you are a plastic modeller, This product is surely for you. You can find out more at the Deluxe Materials YouTube channel or visit the Deluxe Materials website where you can download a catalogue. Or why not visit your local hobby shop and ask for Looks Like Glass by name.